Hello to everybody, greetings to everyone. Welcome to marhabadirectory.com. Today we are going to discuss something about the English grammar. Everybody knows that native speakers don't have mistake errors. Sometimes they have errors, but non-native speakers always made the errors during English grammar. So let's start with the persuasive interlocutor talking to the grammar issues. So we have some English grammar checkers website, online simulators where you can easily check your English errors and mistakes during writing a letter, especially for those students who are trying to struggling with or who are doing struggling with the IELTS writing task, even it is academic, even it is a general task. So let's begin with it. Trinka. Trinka is the first one where you can easily check your grammar mistake errors. It will show you easily your mistakes and you can write your letter easily and you can make your corrections. So let's move on next one. Next one we have Scrubbins. Scrubbin is also a website where you can easily check your English grammar. For instance, I can write here a one letter, dear sir or madam. Sir or madam, writing I am writing to file an INS insurance claim for luggage that was lost during my holiday last week. The luggage was green, medium-sized Samsonite model. So now we can check our mistakes. Holidays and Samsonite will show you easily. These are your mistakes. You have to correct it. Medium-sized Samsonite. So you can easily rectify your grammar mistakes. Next one we have Grammarly.com. Grammarly.com is easily a platform where you can check your grammar errors and it will rectify your errors. If you have any email writing for your projects, for your office, you can write easily and you can send your email with a good writing scale. Let me show you about grammar. I have already added in my Google Translator. Here we can write I am writing in regards an international flight missed due to reasons beyond my control. So what is the benefit of this? Like it will easily make the correction. You can see so you can easily integrate Grammarly in your browser. So let's move on next. Next one is Ginger. We have another software, it's Ginger. It's Ginger Grammar Checker. We can check here, same like this. It's available for Office as well for Google Chrome, as well for any browser, any kind of browser you have, it will work for it. So let me write here, for the past few weeks I have traveling to around the world to speak and attend the conferences of my company. See, it show you have some errors, you made some errors, and then we can write it again. For the past few weeks I have traveling to around the world to speak and attend the conferences of my company. So now you can check here how many mistakes you made. So you can easily, once you can log in, it will easily make it correct. See, ignore it. So last one, what are the feature? Feature overview is also available here. You can check features, grammar checker, sentence rephraser, personal trainer, text reader, translator, everything is available in. So do not forget the subscribe our channel. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Goodbye everybody, everyone have a nice day. Free educational talking point is taking you forward towards the global IT village. So goodbye, take care of yourself everybody. Thanks to watching our video.